Hey Peyton, I'm making this video to hopefully help you kind of follow along with everything that we're doing. So first of all, I'm going to send you a link to this site. It's from the Shopify Help Center, and it's all about using the CSV file. So if you want to get some more intel, you can watch a video, and it actually gives you descriptions down here of every field on there so you can kind of understand it a little bit better. Also, I've created two spreadsheets. One is called BSW Shopify Product Item List. This gives you every single item in our database, gives you the SKU, the description, and the price. So this is a data dump from our Salesforce Ascent system with everything that we currently have live in the system. The other is this Shopify upload catalog. So this is essentially what you're going to be working in. So this is customized to all of the specs that Shopify requires for uploading products. And so what I did was I went ahead and highlighted the fields or the columns in green that you have to put information in. And again, I would go to this for more information because it's possible I'm going to miss something here. But essentially, the handle needs to be unique for every item. Okay. Not every single SKU, but every item. So when we talk about an item, we're talking about this all made unisex crew neck. Now, notice it's got the same handle for each one of these SKUs. So it's one item put in here 5 different times. The title is cotton crew neck, and you can kind of use your own creativity on some of this. We have the vendor as All Made, but so the title should be descriptive of the style, but not necessarily the vendor, because a lot of people don't know what All Made is. So it's more important to title it as something they're actually going to understand. And then again, I lifted the body, the description directly from here. So if you go down here and look at this, there's one, all made unisex crew neck, ring spun cotton, and here are a few more. Okay. So again, all made. This is always going to be, the type is always going to be set to INCSI. Okay. That's just a requirement. We want everything published, so you're always going to set this to true. The only option we're working with right now is sizing. So we're going to set the sizing to size, and then you're going to put the individual sizes in here. Now, here's where it gets kind of tricky because each size has its own SKU variant. So remember I said one style is considered an item. So one style gets the same handle, gets the same title, gets the same body, the same vendor, the same type. But when you get into size is where you need to differentiate the size, differentiate the variant SKU, which you'll pull right off of here. Okay, every variant or every size has its own SKU, and usually the size is listed in the SKU. So you'll see like that's 2XL. Then you're also going to put in over here the variant price. Now, again, a lot of items are priced different. Often, once you get into 2X and 3X, it's more. So you want to be looking closely. Here you can see how this jumps up to 850, 850, and that's only 750. So you'll need to change the price based on the variant SKU. Required shipping is always true. Nothing is taxable. Now, here's where we go to look up the image, and we actually copy the image address into here. And again, it's one image per style. So all of these, okay, got the same image. So these are all the same images. See that? And then if I click on this one, it's that same image, okay? So in order to find the image, you can do one of two things. Most of our items are available on a website called SNS. So if we go to SNS Activewear, you can simply, this is a wholesaler website that's got just about everything. You can simply take the name of the item or the SKU number and search for it. So, for example, if we were looking for alternative apparel, okay, cotton jersey tee, you can copy this, go here, search this, and here you go. Alternative women's, well, that's not what we want. We want the regular alternative t-shirt. So you might need to cotton jersey tee, go-to tee. Here it is, okay? So you'll take this and then you can simply just copy image address and you'd go back over to your spreadsheet and you'd paste it here, okay? Now there's a couple, and Allmade's an example, where that's not available on on this regular SNS website. So what you're going to need to do is either email me and I can find it for you, or well, just email me and I'll find it for you. Okay. So I think that's about it. Again, you're working in this, pulling information out of this, and searching on SNS for images just using the search bar here. And again, it's the same image for every variant. So in this example, it's the same image repeated 5 times, even though we have different size variants, because these are all essentially the same item with the same description and the same handle. All right. So hopefully that helps. We'll check in Monday and see how you're doing. Thanks.